Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Seat Ateca FR Sport. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 54 miles per gallon. The insurance group is 19 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 15,000 miles and comes with full service history from Seat. This stunning colour is the metallic Dark Camouflage and looks in great condition and stage and mileage of the car. As we look inside, being the FR Sport, you've got the sport seats there, which are leather. The driver's seat is also electric with memory function. And then the front seats are also heated. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre. If you want Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and then a few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, and then cruise control, which is on the left-hand side of the steering wheel just there. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Ateca is a great car for the family, so nice wide door opening there, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example, lots of legroom and headroom. Rear passengers also have their own air vents there in the centre, as well as 2 charging ports as well. And it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Seat too. And let's open the tailgate. On the Ateca, you've got a really good sized boot there, nice and deep and square, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got your tyre inflator kit, as well as a bit of extra storage. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 19-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.